Aloha everyone and welcome back to another episode of Stay at Home Blues and Oranges, brought to you by After School All-Stars Hawaii. My name is Aunty T and I am the site coordinator at Pahoa High and Intermediate School. If you're new here, please don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos. Please also follow us at All Stars Hawaii on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok so we can stay connected. In today's video, we will be learning how to make a tea leaf lei. Hawaii has long been known for its tea leaves. Two strands are intertwined to create this open-ended lei that can be worn by men or women. The broadleaf tea plant was a canoe plant brought to Hawaii with the early Polynesians. It's one of the most versatile plants in Hawaii, used for medicine, shelter, clothing, and food. And its leaves are woven together to create the tea leaf lei. The tea leaf lei symbolizes appreciation, admiration, and respect. Here's what we'll need for today's activity. So of course we're gonna need some tea leaves. I picked these from my backyard. It doesn't matter if they're a little brown like that. I feel like it adds character. So I got some with like some spots on it, some green ones. And we're also gonna need a pair of scissors. Please remember to hold your scissors from the bottom down for safety reasons, okay? Okay, so the first thing we need to do is grab our tea leaf, and then we need to turn it over because we need to devein the back of the tea leaf, okay? So we can do that by grabbing our scissors. Make sure you hold it by the blade down for safety purposes. And then you're just gonna snip the tea leaf like that. And then we're gonna devein it. So I usually use the end of my table to help devein it. See, like that. And you wanna make sure that you devein the whole entire thing. Okay, just like that. Okay, so we're just gonna grab a leaf and then we are going to just snip the center like that. And then we're gonna take the center part off. If you have a hard time doing it like this, you could use the edge of your table and just slide it up like that. So once we have all of our leaves deveined, we are going to rip our leaves in half like this. So one leaf will then turn into two leaves. Okay, now that we deveined all of our leaves, and we split them into two, we can now soften them. So there's multiple ways of doing this. So we could either toss it into the microwave, we could boil it in some hot water, we could leave it out in the sun, we could put it into the freezer, or we could just iron it with a clothes iron. Okay, so I'm just gonna toss mine into the microwave real quick with a wet napkin over it so our leaves can get softened, and then we can get started making our lei. Okay, so we're gonna take our tea leaves, we're gonna put them into the microwave. I got a wet napkin over here. I'm gonna just put the wet napkin over the tea leaves so that it keeps it moist. Okay, and then I'm gonna shut the microwave, and then I'm gonna just put it in there for 4 minutes. All right, so our tea leaves are nice and soft now. So we'll take it out. Okay, now that we've taken our tea leaves out of the microwave and it's softened, the first thing we're going to do is grab one leaf and then we're just going to twist. Okay, you're gonna twist the leaf outwards like that. So that your leaf looks like this. Alright, so once we got our tea leaf twisted like this, you can have somebody hold the end. But since I don't have anyone here, I'm just going to use my toes to do this part, okay? So I'm just going to take my tea leaf, I'm going to wrap it around my big toe, and then I'm going to continue to twist outwards And then I'm going to take this side that I'm twisting outwards, and then I'm going to place it over this strand of the tea leaf, all right? And then I'm going to switch, and then I'm going to continue to twist outwards like that. You want to make sure your twists are very tight, okay? And then you're going to place it over that side. And then you're going to just continue to do the same thing, twisting your tea leaf outwards and then placing it over. So the bottom leaf is always going to be the one twisting outwards, and then you're going to place it over on top like that. Then this leaf will be on the bottom, and then you're going to continue to do the same thing until you kind of get it to look like this. Okay, so once our leaf looks like it's running out, we need to add another leaf. So we're just going to grab one of our leaves, we're going to place it on top of the existing leaf, and then we're just going to twist both of the leaves together outwards like that, and then we're going to just go over. All right, this one looks like it's running out too, so I will grab another leaf, I will place it on top, and then I will twist outwards. You want to make sure that you're twisting it tight, okay? So you have a nice rope. So we're just going to twist outwards, then go over. Twist outwards, and then go over. And then we're just going to repeat it again until we're completed with our lei. So twist outwards and then go over. Tight, then you're gonna go over. This leaf needs to be replaced as well, so I will grab another leaf, place it on top of the existing leaf, then I'm gonna twist both of the leaves together, the new and the pre-existing leaf, and then we're just gonna put it over. All right, and then you're just gonna continue to do the same thing. Twist outward. So once our lei gets to a certain length, so this lei is probably as long as my leg can like stretch, and I need it to be tight. You can just grab the lei and wrap it around your toe like this, so that it comes shorter, so that you can continue to like pull. Then you're gonna continue to twist out, and then put it over. Twist out, and put it over. And then we'll just add one more set of leaves, and then our lei should be complete. Okay, so we're almost complete with our lei. So in order to end it, all we are going to do is just take the two ends of our leaf, and then we are going to tie it into a simple knot like this. And then we're gonna just tie it one more time. You can even tie it 3 times to be extra safe, so that your lei does not come apart. We'll just go one more time. Okay. And then our lei is complete. We're gonna just take the end part off of our toe. And this is what your completed products will look like. So you could either wear it over around your neck open like this, or you could just tie the end. And you just do that by placing this end into the hole like this. And then it should stay. Alright, so this is our end product. So I have 2 leis here. If you want, you can also intertwine the 2 of these to make 1 lei, a nice thick lei. And you just do that by just lining your 2 leis up like this. And then you're just going to twist them together. So one over the other. Okay, so we are just intertwining the 2. So let's go over what we learned today. Today we learned how to make a beautiful tea leaf lei with the leaves that you can just pick in your backyard. We also learned that the tea leaf lei symbolizes appreciation, admiration, and respect. The tea leaf lei is also a great gift to give at special occasions such as birthday parties and graduations, which is coming up. Thanks so much for joining us for another episode of Stay at Home Blues and Oranges. I hope you guys had fun watching this video and making a beautiful tea leaf lei with me. Until next time guys, aloha!